surprisingly gripping well even on wet surface. The climb is effortless till now.
Yes, she'll be able to do because driving is her passion.
When we see her, she is the motivation for us because while seeing her, we can know that we can also do something like that.
The altitude changes rapidly, so the surroundings change quickly and so does the whole weather. Then there's the vast skies of Meghma. It's one of the prettiest places en route to the top of Sandakphu. Here, I always feel like I'm dancing in the clouds.
Wherever I go, but I feel like I'm in Alice in Wonderland that is going beyond everything. It's beautiful.
यहाँ पे जब बारिश होता है वहाँ पे धूप खिला होता है, जब वहाँ पे धूप होता है यहाँ पे बारिश होता है, मतलब कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
Samantha, I take it you've crossed Gariba's checkpost.
मेरा नाम दावा लामा है। हाँ, फॉरेस्ट का मैं यहाँ के इंचार्ज हूँ, फॉरेस्ट गार्ड। गैरीबास से फिर ऊपर चढ़ेगा, ऊपर तो ये बोल्डर का रोड है।
गैरीबास से जो ऊपर का जो रास्ता है कहीं कटा बोल के जो 2 किलोमीटर है वो बहुत खराब है।
So it's a very different vehicle. It's a petrol vehicle, it doesn't have low range, it's a two-wheel drive vehicle. But the good thing is that it's got a very good ground clearance. The angle of approach and departure are fairly good. So we are confident that even if we attack these hairpins and this terrain at a slightly higher momentum to compensate for the lack of four-wheel drive ability, we should be able to make it without getting stuck or without any damage.
I think I'll be there in 2 hours. I'm in Kalpokri.
That's great. That's great.
As we drive along this road, we come across a holy lake. My grandfather always prayed at this holy lake. It has become a tradition for me.
Namaste, Bani.
Namaste.
शुभकामना छ
गाडी यसरी चला जानु पर्यो, गाडी यता पस्छ, घालटाङ यता पस्छ, पछि त्यो जिगजाग हुन्छ, यसो जिगजाग यता खाटा पस्छ, यता यता यस्तो हुनु पर्यो, घरि यता पस्छ, यता यस्तो हुनु पर्यो।
The last 3 kilometers out of that, the final climb to the summit has 23 back-to-back hairpins with extreme gradients, and I've counted those.
From BK Bhanjang to Sandakphu, that is the real climb. Here I knew I had to push through. If I didn't, I would fail.
इंग्लिश में ऐसे होता है ना, ऐसे ऐसे रास्ता है। फिर वो उसका लास्ट पॉइंट 0 पॉइंट में से तो ऊपर तक ऐसे रास्ता है, ऐसे सीधा ऐसे हो जाएगा।
ड्राइंग करने तो बहुत ऐसे होता है.
All jerky.
I think it was Samantha's sheer determination, everything that we thought that the vehicle will deliver on, all that came together.
It is a very great feeling. It is the most happiest moment.
Completing this challenge, thinking of my grandfather with him in the back of my mind, it was amazing.
We were really rooting hard for Samantha. But honestly, we knew this was going to be an extremely difficult climb.
And so to do it and to achieve it, it's a memory created for a lifetime.
What helped us in our journey was the constant support and encouragement provided by the people of Mane Banjan.